Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, we're going to be making this juicy, super easy honey garlic chicken thighs. Now, let's cook. So guys, here we have our chicken thigh. Now I'm gonna add oil, and the oil is gonna allow the season to stick to the chicken. Now to season my chicken, I'm using the Maggi Chicken Seasoning. And this, guys, when I tell you, it has the best flavor ever. Like, trust me, I use no other season other than Maggi. Well, other than, Cajun and stuff like that. Then I'm using black pepper, Old Bay season, another great season, Cajun season. And guys, I will be sure to list all the measurements and the ingredients down in the description below. And I'm out of Cajun. I'm also going to be using Parsley Flakes. And I'm going to rub all that season together. And guys, I promise you, my goodness, it smells so good. But that Maggi Chicken Seasoning, guys, trust me, it's everything. It is everything. Trust and believe. Now guys, you can go ahead and marinate your chicken overnight, which will give the chicken an amazing flavor. Now I'm gonna be pan searing my chicken in a medium-sized skillet. I'm gonna allow that to heat until it's hot, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna give it this beautiful sear until it's golden, yeah, because I will be finishing it off in the oven for about 25 minutes. Look at that color, so good, so good. Now guys, we're turning our chicken and we're just looking for a golden color, yeah, because we will be finishing off in the oven. If we allow it to stay in the pan, it's just gonna burn. Had it been chicken breast, yes, but these are bone-in chicken thighs, yeah, so we're just gonna finish those in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Now guys, I'm removing the thighs. Now I'm gonna place those in a baking tray. Now I'm gonna bake them, as I mentioned before, for 25 to 30 minutes at a temperature at 350 degrees. Now in that same skillet, which I washed, yeah, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. I'm just gonna allow the butter to melt. And then I'm going to be adding my chopped garlic. Now the garlic, it takes about a couple seconds to start burning, yeah, but we want it to get to that golden looking color like that. Then we're gonna add our honey. Now I'm adding, this is about 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix that together. Guys, we're looking for that beautiful golden looking color, yeah, just like that. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, which is optional. You guys can substitute the oyster sauce for soy sauce, yeah, or even sweet chili if you guys have it, that is. Now there you have it, guys. Now I will be adding parsley flakes. This is 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and it just seems like all my spices are just done. I don't know why. Now guys, I'm placing those thighs in the sauce. And that juice from the chicken, guys, just go ahead and pour it over that chicken, yeah, nothing goes to waste. Now we're gonna be coating the chicken with that beautiful sauce. Just pour it over our chicken. And look at that, guys, just so beautiful. Now guys, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, and this is just gonna give it just a little kick to that chicken. Yeah, optional also, guys, optional ingredients. If you don't like anything spicy, it's optional. Yeah, but look at that. This was so juicy and delicious, guys. Just go ahead and serve this on a bed of rice or even your mashed potatoes, and yeah, you have yourself a meal, honey, a very good meal. Okay, I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.